Dr. Huebner here, Natural Transplants, speaking about the Norwood Hamilton scale, and in particular, Norwood 6. So on a scale of 1 to 7, 6 is one of the more advanced stages of male pattern baldness. At this point, most people on the street would say this is a bald guy. This is a guy that's basically lost the majority of his hair on the top. Sometimes he can have a little bit of the central bridge and it can ride a little bit higher, which distinguishes it from a Norwood 7, which I'll talk about later. But at this stage, you still are a hair transplant candidate in many cases. Again, every case is going to be specific to that patient, but at this stage, if you have a reasonable amount of donor, you can certainly be a good candidate for a hair transplant. This may mean getting the majority of your head covered with hair, but oftentimes there are limitations in terms of what you can do at this stage. Very important to be evaluated at this point to see if you are a candidate. Preventative treatments at this point sometimes are done, but kind of play a less visible role because, at this point you've lost the majority of your hair. So every patient is going to be different. If you have any questions or would love to be evaluated, please call us here, 844-327-4247. We can do an in-person or remote consultation free of charge, or visit us on our website, naturaltransplants.com. Norwood 6, advanced, but definitely still a candidate for a hair transplant in many cases.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.